my love. Joe, you give me love I never see, oh, my love. Joe, you love me so much to me, oh, my love. Joe, you give me love I never see, oh, my love. Joe, you love me so much to me, oh.
Hey guys, JustLostJC here. I gotta make this a quick one because I got to run. But I just want to show you guys the pants that I mentioned in another video. I did a Shein haul and I got some pants. They're blue, but I wanted to dye them black. So these are the pants right here after my dye job, the flare pants. They're not as dark as they could be, but they're definitely not blue. So the dye that I used was this Ritz dye. So if you want to know how I dyed these pants, just keep on watching. So that's it. These are how they turned out, as I said. And what I will say is that the stitching on them remained white, but I used a Sharpie marker and went over all the stitching on the pants because they were very stark bright, which tends to happen when people dye because the material and thread is a bit different from the cotton and polyester that's in the pants. And with these Ritz dye, it only dyes certain type of materials, and a lot of times it's not able, or it's not strong enough to dye what they use for thread. And so I have to use a Sharpie, or most people suggest using a Sharpie, so I did that method and it worked perfectly. The Sharpie has stayed. I've washed these pants a couple times. The Sharpie's still there on the thread. So yeah, I just use a Sharpie, a black Sharpie, to get the thread to match a bit better with the pants, and you should be fine. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna catch you in another video. Peace out, homeboy. Get out of here, man. You know what I'm saying?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, you know what I'm saying? Get in Igbo. Get out of here for real. You know what I'm saying? Get out of here for real. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, God.